Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jaisha, and this video is going to be about how I straighten my curly hair. I am starting off on freshly washed hair, and I'm just going in with a curl primer, and I'm spraying it all over my head. Next, I'm going to be adding in some leave-in conditioner for a little bit more moisture. Now, of course, moisture is important no matter what style you're doing, but you especially want to make sure that your strands are moisturized if you're going to be putting heat on your hair. Next, I'm just sectioning my hair into 4 sections. You guys already know the drill by now. This is how I always start my styling process no matter what style I'm doing. And what I like to do before I blow dry my hair is I section my hair off and stretch it by braiding it so that it's mostly dry before I go in with the blow dryer. Now this is totally optional, but I just don't like taking a blow dryer to soaking wet hair, so I let it dry for a few hours or sometimes overnight in the braids before I go in with my blow dryer. And this cuts down on blow drying time, and it also puts less heat on your hair. So once I take the braids down, I make sure to spray a heat protectant on my hair. I'm just using the Tresemme Heat Tamer right here, but this is super important when you're using any type of direct heat on your hair because it helps to avoid heat damage. Do not just use coconut oil or some type of oil on your hair and think that it's going to protect your strands. It's not going to do anything but fry your hair. You want to use an actual heat protectant. And now is when I would go in with my blow dryer, and I'm just blow drying in smaller sections. I usually cut each of my 4 sections in half and just blow dry those sections. So this is my hair once it's all blown out. You can certainly see that I am in need of a little bit of a trim, but I'm going to take care of that in a second. I'm sectioning my hair again so that I can flat iron smaller pieces, and I'm going to be doing the chase method with my tail comb. The smaller the sections are, the better your final result is going to be. Now I'm just going to post my disclaimer here and now. This is not a new fancy flat iron. I mean, it wasn't cheap either, but I've had it for a very long time, and I'm actually shocked that it even turned on. If I used a flat iron often to straighten my hair, I would definitely invest in a quality one, but I hardly ever pick this thing up. I hardly ever use it. Actually, when I bought it, this was one of the better flat irons, but that was so long ago, and that was when I only wore my hair straight, so it was worth the investment for me at that time. But now I hardly ever use it, so I don't see the point in purchasing a newer one, and I'm just going to stick with what I have as long as it's working for me. So this is my final look. I did a little tiny trim, and I wrapped my hair for a little while. Super soft and fluffy and light. Obviously this is not like a silky smooth silk press that you would get at a hair salon. I couldn't get those results at home if I tried, but this is good enough for me, and I'm cool with it. I was just itching to do something different with my hair. I don't know why. I just, sometimes you get this urge that you want to switch it up. So that's what I did. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel, and I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more of my videos, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.